Here's how to make this adorable little octopus with pipe cleaners. It's super easy to make. Let's get started. First, prepare a foam ball. Take 3 pipe cleaners, connect them together. Insert one end of the pipe cleaner into the foam ball. Apply glue to secure it in place. Then wrap the entire pipe cleaner across the center points at the top and bottom. Wrap it diagonally to cover the entire ball. Apply glue at the end to secure it. Cut a pipe cleaner in half. Roll both ends toward the center to form 2 circles. Take a piece of white pipe cleaner. Roll it into 2 circles smaller than 1.5 centimeters. Apply glue and attach them. Apply glue and attach the eyes. Add the black pupils. Apply glue and secure them in place. Take 1 pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Cut it into 4 equal pieces. Cross every 2 pieces and twist them together. Join the 2 groups together. Take 2 adjacent pieces and twist them twice near the base to secure. Trim any pipe cleaner pieces that are too long. Then carefully singe the tip of each piece with a lighter. Apply glue and attach them to the center underneath the body. Finally, adjust the tentacles until they look even and balanced. And our adorable little octopus is finished. Once you've made yours, share the finished result in the comments.